This feels like a pretty good fish. Oh shit. Fuck, I'm in the middle of changing the heater and trying to get a snack and it pulled the thing almost straight in the hole. Oh man. I just got the head of a smelt on this one. Yeah, he looks, oh wow, he is good. Oh man, that's a good fish. I gotta land this one. Oh fuck, he's big. Oh, he won't lay right to go through the hole. There we go. Nice fish, nice fish. Yes sir. There you go. There's a nice fish. That's a nice pickerel right there. Wow. Okay, fat bastard. Okay. Come on, reel. Okay. Jesus. Projectile. Alright. Wow. That's a nice fish right there. It's a nice one. There we go. I don't know, he's probably, 20, 22 inches or so. Nice looking fish. Wow. Okay, I'll get him back and try for some more.